I'm here with Carly, and she's teaching me how to make. What are we making, Carly?
I forgot. But we're making some food.
We're making some Korean food. We've got the K-pop muffin. Woo-hoo. Here it comes. Muffin to go. I like it. 1 tablespoon of yeast.
1 tablespoon of sugar. And then you add...
This sounds like a Naruto song.
It is an anime song.
Oh.
Then you add the water.
3/4.
Yes.
Then we put that on the side.
You bring
Okay, so we're letting the yeast sit for how long?
the yeast sits for 15 minutes.
15 minutes. And while we're doing that, we're doing the beef.
Yes, we put the beef in the bowl and then you chop in scallions. Make sure you're not taking the green ones. You're taking actually the white ones because the green ones we're gonna use them for something else.
Okay. Okay, we're chopping the ginger very nicely and small. And we already put the scallions inside. Yay. Ooh, I love fresh ginger. Cutting some cabbage for our filling. We didn't put it in the meat earlier, but getting there.
You put the meat, the scallion, and ginger. You can have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Is it different than fish sauce, or is it the same? Different. Ooh.
I'm not quite sure. Not the best person to ask. You put 2 tablespoons sesame oil. Very good oil.
I love sesame oil.
I do too.
It's so light. I use it in salads, cooking chicken.